Think about what you're looking for in a match and align it with the platform that best caters to that kind of audience. This way, you're not just swiping, you're swiping smart. Next up, your profile. This is your front line in the digital dating world. A great photo isn't just a solo shot, it's your best shot. Pair that with a bio that's concise yet uniquely you. It's not just about listing your likes and hobbies, it's about showcasing your personality. Add a touch of humor, a sprinkle of charm, and suddenly, you're not just another face in the crowd. Make your profile a true reflection of who you are, and you'll stand out in the sea of online profiles. Let's talk about texting. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of mundane, repetitive chats. The secret to keeping it interesting? Engage with purpose. Initiate conversations that are stimulating, not just fillers for the silence. Ask open-ended questions that encourage more than just a simple yes or no answer. Share anecdotes and stories that reveal more about who you are, adding depth to your persona. Make them laugh, provoke their thoughts, and they'll be eager to keep the conversation going. Finally, let's talk about the first date. This isn't just about making a good impression, it's about building a genuine connection. Choose a venue that reflects both of your interests. It can be a great conversation starter. Be authentic, stay present, and show genuine interest in your date. Listen as much as you talk, and remember, a date is a dance, not a monologue. It's all about the back and forth, or the give and take, that makes the interaction memorable. Modern dating might seem like navigating a labyrinth, but with the right tools and mindset, it can feel more like a park you can enjoy strolling through. Use these tips to elevate your dating profile, craft engaging texts, and transform first dates into second ones. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into mastering your dating life. With a little guidance, you'll be navigating the dating scene with confidence and ease.